welcome to my channel, and today we are going to be reviewing and trying together the Dyson airwrap in the color rose gold, and it's the most prettiest color Dyson could ever launch. So let's try it out together. We'll start using the Dyson, but before that, make sure your hair is protected well. So first things first is I'm gonna apply a hair serum to my hair. So today we're gonna use the Moroccan oil. I'm gonna apply it to the ends of my hair. Now I'm done applying a good hair serum to my hair. Now we'll go on to the heat protectant, and today I'm gonna be using the Bee Blends Hot Shot. So now our hair is pretty much straight, and now we'll move on to bangs. And now we'll move on to the curling attachments. Okay, now we are using the slimmer wand, and we'll see how it curls. Okay, this is the first time I'm using it, so do not shame me in the comments or anywhere else, please. Make sure to take inner sections, or else it would not give you those tight long lasting curls. So yeah, let's take this much of a section. Okay, we do see a nice curl in here. So I'm back doing the rest of my hair. I did this part off camera, and I think now we'll remove this as well to see the final look of the Dyson airwrap. Oh my god, I look so pretty. I don't think so I look pretty, but the curls, the volume on my hair, oh my god, it's another level, dude. Another level. Can you see the curls? Oh my god, look at the bounce. It's so good. I'm just gonna take a hairbrush and just lightly comb my hair, super lightly and gently. I think the hair looks pretty good. I can't stop touching my hair, guys. It's so good. Oh my god. And it did not even take me 20 minutes. Not even 20 minutes. Yeah, it just took 20 minutes for me to do my hair entirely. And this is the first time I was doing my hair. So maybe with time I'll get a bit better at it, and maybe also faster. Let's see, let's hope. Yeah, and to be honest, you're gonna see a lot of Dyson videos now. Let's talk about the Dyson a bit more now. So what I've noticed is this thing is oval in shape and not circular. So the whole machine, so that makes it very easier to hold, and the design is very ergonomical. And yeah, the buttons are really up on the machine, so that makes it easier for me to change the settings right here, and I do not have to move it here or anything. It's right here, so it is very easier for me to navigate through the machine and navigate through the settings. So the colors, I used this particular color to do all my hair, and this is the long barrel. We do have one shorter and thicker, no, not that's not short, but the thicker barrel as well, but I think this barrel in particular works really good with my hair. And look at my hair, it looks so pretty, man. Like, I cannot stop blabbering about the curls, like I cannot stop looking at myself. I'm so self-obsessed today. So that's it from my side. Thank you for watching the video, and my Daisu says bye.